Hey gamers, is Call of Duty throwing the error code 0x00001337 your way and blocking you from jumping into the action? You've updated your graphics drivers, restarted your device, but nothing seems to work? Don't worry. Error Genie is here with solutions that actually fix the issue. Follow along carefully, and let's get this error out of the way. Step 1. Delete Call of Duty folder. Documents. Go to your PC's Documents folder. Locate and delete the Call of Duty folder. Don't worry. This folder will automatically regenerate when you relaunch the game. Launch Call of Duty and check if the error is gone. Why this works. Corrupt configuration files often cause errors. Deleting the folder forces the game to rebuild fresh, error-free settings. Step 2. Download Visual C++ Redistributable All-in-One. Visit the following trusted site, techpowerup.com. In the search bar, type Mathematica Copy Code. Visual C++ Redistributable Runtimes All-in-One. Download the package from the popular downloads section. Select a server near your location, for example, USA or EU. Once downloaded, extract the file and run the installer. After installation, restart your PC and relaunch Call of Duty. Why this works. Missing or outdated Visual C++ libraries are a common cause of COD crashes and errors. This step ensures you have the correct runtime files. Step 3. ALT+T. A-B trick, connecting to servers. Launch Call of Duty. As the game begins to connect to servers, quickly press ALT+TAB. Wait until the game reaches the Message of the Day screen. Return to the game by pressing Alt+Tab again. Why this works. This forces the game to bypass certain loading triggers that may cause freezes or errors during server connection. Final solution. Submit a support ticket. If none of the above steps work, submit a support ticket to Activision through the official site. Explain the error code and steps you've taken to troubleshoot. Pro tips to prevent future errors. Always keep your graphics drivers updated. Regularly clear cache and verify game files through Steam or Battle.net. Avoid overclocking if COD consistently crashes. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to Error Genie for more troubleshooting guides. Got questions or still facing issues? Drop a comment and I'll help you out. Turn on notifications so you never miss a gaming fix. See you in the next video. Happy gaming!